Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Ash and I run this channel Ash Media. I'm from South Africa. I'm a software developer and I also do internet marketing on the side, and I teach you guys how to make money online and take you through my journey of what I'm doing online. And in today's video, I'm going to okay, before I start with it, I want you guys to please leave thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like these kinds of videos, so when I make more videos you guys will be notified first. Before I start, this video is about WordPress. So if you guys are new to WordPress, please go watch my previous videos. As you can see, website, install a theme, you can see I made some WordPress videos here. You can watch those earlier videos. I'll explain what's WordPress and how to go about getting up your first website. Well, this website I'm going to show you guys how to add a store or shop to your existing website. So first of all, you come plugins. After you come plugins, go add new, and I want you to search WooCommerce. So after you search WooCommerce, you install it and activate it. After you activate it, it will install different pages for you. So the pages that it will install, let me show you guys. It will install like 4 to 5 pages or even 6. So it will install the shop page, store manager, my account, checkout, and cart. So basically the shop will show all your products. So if you go to my site right now, you'll see that there's no shop tab as yet on my my website. So basically the aim of any website is to create it in such a way, with content in such a way that you can drive traffic. Once you drive in a good amount of traffic, you can add a shop. As you can see, there's no shop tab on my website, right? I want you guys to have a look. So basically, once you install WooCommerce, what this thing is doing. Once you install WooCommerce and show the pages, all the pages, you can go if you want to add a product, right, you'll go add new, right? What I like about WooCommerce, you don't only have to sell your own products that you physically have, you can also sell affiliate. I'll show you this now, how you can sell affiliate products. That's what I like about WooCommerce. That's what I find very interesting. So I'm going to test 4. This is a test. As you can see, I'm on test 4. I was basically testing and learning how WooCommerce works. So firstly, a simple product is something you physically have, you physically stock, and when people buy on the site, you basically ship it out to them. The next one is a very interesting one. It's the one I recommend, affiliate. So I know most of you guys are not going to know what's affiliate, but affiliate is basically selling a product for company or service for someone else and you getting a commission. So we're gonna just put a simple product. It's a product. Say I have a product and I put $12 for regular price. Sale price must be less, which is $10. So after that, publish. Hope you guys are paying attention, and you guys need to do this right after this video, because a lot of you guys watch the videos but you guys are not taking action. And it's not for my videos only, that's for many other videos. You don't start next year, you start now. So basically all pages. So the page that we're going to view now, remember this is not yet up on my site because I didn't link it. The page that we're going to view is shop. So as you can see, I got 3 products here, test and test 4. So I'm adding this now to I will show you guys how to link it also. As you can see, I still got no shop, but I'm viewing this particular page. The reason why you can't see it here because I didn't link it, but remember it is up and running, the shop. As you can see, I never didn't put the image, but it's up and running. So once you add it to cart, you view your cart and proceed to checkout. It's exactly like how you would pay for any other online item. To ask for your address, your name, whatever, and then once it asks for that, you can actually place the order and pay with your card. So how you link the site, let me show you guys how you link it. Okay, before I show you guys that there's this okay, let me show you guys just how you link it. I'll do that in the next video, what I was going to show you guys now. So basically how you link your that page to your website is you come to where's that, menus. So once you come to menus, you're gonna see this. So if I go add menu, right? Okay. So as you can see, the shop is here, right? Just click on the shop. Well, because the page is already added. I mean, WordPress is so easy, it gives you all the pages. So basically, you can see this was the headings that you guys were seeing. So once I click on shop, I add the menu, right? This is how easy is WordPress. WordPress is very, very easy and user friendly. You don't need no coding experience. But for those of you that are developers, you can do some funky stuff with WordPress. I'm also a developer myself, so I understand. Now you can see shop is there because I linked it. So I hope you guys got value out of this video. This is the first part. The second part I'll make it in the next video, because the second part is to add the stripe. So I don't want to do that here because that takes about time and you need to test. So when I go proceed to checkout, I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. So as you can see, there's no payment. Sorry, it seems that there are no available payment methods. So when you place order, it won't be able to get the payment method. It will say missing payment method. As you can see, valid payment method. So I'll show you how to add a payment method in my next video. But follow this video, you'll get your store up and running so long. Don't put it live. So like now I link it just to show you guys that you can link it. But what I'll do now, so I'll go back here, back to menus, and I'll basically unlink it now because I don't really need this now. So what I'll do is I'll say remove. And you can see I removed it. Perfect. Save menu, and there's it remove. So I just showed you guys that you could edit. So I hope you guys found value in this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and so you will get notified when I make more videos like that. And in my next video, I'll be making sure to show you guys how you can add a payment method. We'll add a simple strip card payment method. That's all for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed adding your own store. You can either sell your own products or affiliate products. So that's awesome. Thanks, guys.